Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Dola AI Calendar Assistant in 2026 and how it can help you manage your schedule more easily. Dola is an AI-powered calendar assistant that lets you manage events, meetings, reminders, and tasks using simple natural language messages. Instead of manually opening your calendar and filling out every field, you can tell Dola what you want to schedule, and it can help organize it for you. First, open Dola AI and sign in or create your account. Once you're inside, connect the calendar service you normally use, such as Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, or Outlook, depending on the options available in your account. After connecting your calendar, you can start creating events using natural language. For example, you can type something like, "Schedule a meeting with John tomorrow at 3 p.m. for 1 hour." Dola can understand the date, time, duration, and event details, making scheduling much faster. You can also use Dola to create reminders. For example, you could say, "Remind me to submit the report tomorrow morning." This can help you remember important tasks without manually creating a separate reminder every time. Another useful feature is managing your existing schedule. You can ask Dola about upcoming events, add new appointments, or reschedule an event when your plans change. This makes Dola especially useful when you have a busy daily schedule. You can also use recurring events for activities that happen regularly, such as weekly meetings, classes, workouts, or appointments. The biggest advantage of Dola is that you can interact with your calendar in a conversational way. You don't always need to navigate through multiple calendar menus. Simply describe what you want, review the details, and confirm the event when everything looks correct. So if you want a faster and more convenient way to organize meetings, reminders, appointments, and daily tasks, Dola AI can be a useful calendar assistant.